Welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. And today we're going to be talking about the present perfect simple verb tense. So which tense is used in each sentence? The kitchen is dirty. That would be simple present. She is cleaning the kitchen is present continuous. And she has cleaned the kitchen is present perfect. John is at home, simple present. John is going out, present continuous, and John has gone out, present perfect. So we use the present perfect simple for an action in the past with a result now. So the action, they left the house. The result, they are not at home now. Helen and James have left the house. Stephen locked the door. The door is closed now. Stephen has locked the door. So what has happened? Match the pictures to the sentences. You can pause the video and try that on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So Jared has taken a shower. That's picture B. They have watched a movie. Picture C. And it has stopped raining. Picture A. All right, so here is the sentence structure for the present perfect simple. We have the subject plus have or has plus the third form of the verb. I have worked, you have done, he has finished, she has played, it has rained, we have joined, they have started. And for regular verbs, these are the simple past, or the second form and third form of regular verbs. And they all just end in ed. Worked, lived, cleaned, watched, started, finished, rained. All right, so now practice the present perfect simple. You can fill in the blanks, pause the video, fill in the blanks, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. First one is already done for you. Alex has booked a table for us at the restaurant. So go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then I'll return with the answers. All right, Carol has worked for 3 hours this morning. Now she is on a break. John and Rachel have traveled all over France, and they are going to Paris again next year. I have cleaned the house, and now I am free to meet you for coffee. It has rained all morning, and we can't go on a picnic. We'll eat lunch at home. Yes, Mom, I have finished my homework, so can I go outside and play with my friends? Jackie has started her cooking course. She goes to class once a week. Marcia and Paul have lived in Brazil for 10 years. Rosie has helped us prepare dinner this evening. I can't wait to try the lasagna. Isaac has painted the 3 bedrooms and he wants to finish the kitchen and bathroom by the end of the week. Did you hear? Darcy has joined a yoga club because she wants to get fit before the summer. And William has cooked breakfast for all of us. Come and get it. We have moved 2 times this year. Now we must move again because I have a new job in another city. Yes, I have watched all of the Godfather movies. They are fantastic films. Jack has listened to the weather report on the radio and it is going to be sunny tomorrow. Let's go to the beach. Please call Jacob. He has called you 3 times today, but you were not at home. right, now we're going to look at the irregular verbs. So buy, bought, hear, heard, pay, paid, say, said, sleep, slept, understand, understood, spend, spent. And you're going to pause the video, fill in the blanks, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Let's go. Timothy has paid the bill, so we can leave now and go to a club for a drink. I have said it to you at least 10 times. Why don't you listen to me when I speak? We have bought a new washing machine because the other one was 10 years old and broke down. It's a great song, but I have heard it many times before. It's not very new. It's fine. I have understood the problem and now I try to fix it. Our little baby has slept for 3 hours this afternoon, so I don't think she's going to sleep much tonight. James, I'm sorry, but he has left the office. Please call him tomorrow after 9 a.m. Greg can't come to the computer because he has spent, oh, sorry, Greg can't come to the concert because he has spent all his money on a new computer. Here are a few more present perfects, the forms of the verbs that could be used with the present perfect simple. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Speak, spoke, spoken. See, saw, seen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Fly, flew, flown. Wear, wore, worn. Again, fill in the blanks with the present perfect simple and one of the verbs from the boxes. Go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So I have been excited about it all week. I cannot wait to go to the party tomorrow night. This year, my lessons have become more difficult, and now I have to study more. They have spoken to her, and now she has promised not to do it again. Taylor has seen the new horror movie, and she thinks it's excellent. Jane has written the letter, and she will post it tomorrow. This year, Tristan has flown from Istanbul to Sydney 4 times. He must go there again next week. Dan has worn the same hat every time since I have seen him this year. Doesn't he have another hat? Oops, I have forgotten my keys. I left them on the kitchen table. So when we use the present perfect simple for an action in the past with a result now. They left the house, and the result is they are not at home now. Helen and James have left the house. So now make some sentences using these words and in the present perfect. And you could post your sentences in the comments if you would like to share. Now what has happened to form a sentence? Again, you can use the words in the boxes, and you can put your sentences in the comments. Right, now complete the sentences with the present perfect form of the verb in the boxes. I bought a new computer game. Do you want to play with it? Can you lend me $50? I have forgotten to bring my wallet. Do you know Andrew and Sarah? I have invited them to the party on Saturday night. I want to learn French this year, so I have decided to join a class at night school. I start next week. Have you seen the new James Bond film? Yes, I have seen it. It's fantastic. John, can you please bring my credit card? No, sorry. I have left the house and I am on the highway. Why are you so angry today? I have worked 7 days this week and I have to work all next weekend too. And why didn't you call me last night? Because I have broken my telephone. I need to buy a new one. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, participate in the comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.